for the things you do, and dear you to me. Oh, you know I will.
Yung. And she did. She did, guys.
Beauty and talent.
She said she will and she did. Tamang-tama yan. Very good. At yan, ang sabi nga, ni Chona Castro Direct, maganda po siyang i-guest sa Usapang Tagumpay. Tapos kantahin po niya yun bago siya interviewin. Director ka na din, Chona!
Nag-suggest. Thank you so much.
Yan,
For all of you.
sabi naman ni Luther James, soulful voice. Wow! At yan. At syempre, ang soulful voice na hindi mangyayari yan.
Yes.
Alam mo ba, meron siyang album. Sino magsasabing hindi siya marunong kumanta? May album siya, mga kaibigan. Gusto kong pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, may album siya. She has an album of 12 tracks.